Only with data can you actually get to the facts, like what's real, using statistics to help you understand variations of things, gradations of things, frequencies, how much of this, how much is it really impacting the outcome? It's only through the use of data that you can get to the point where you have statistics and facts. That's why it's so important that people are data literate, because without data literacy, you end up watching TV and listening to people rail off stats on TV that you think are real. And then when you go, pull the onion back a little bit and look at how they got to that number, if you were data literate, you might be in a position to say that stat that they just gave us is meaningless. That's part of the story they're trying to tell. But looking at the data, I am able to uncover that stat is not real. It's not a meaningful stat. It puts you in a position to even critique what happens around you on a day-to-day basis.